Hi everyone, this is Smriti. Welcome to QA automation classes. In the last class, we have seen how to generate the extent report, and in today's session, that is class 15, we are going to understand what exactly is the component that got generated along with the extent report. What are the different components are available, and what we configured, and where exactly they are displayed. What is the format? If you want to customize the report further, how can you customize them? Okay. So without delaying further, let's get started. Okay. So let's go to our extent report that got generated. So if you double click on this one, you see this is the extent report, and you have to open it with one of the browser, right? So I'm opening it with Chrome. So if you see here, so the automation test execution report got created, got opened over here. So let's understand. So by default it will come to this one will be clicked. So here if you see, these are the tests, and let's understand. Before that, let's go to the base class. What is our base steps? Okay, so let's understand whatever we have given here is there in the report or not. So whatever the things we have given here, we have given set document title automation report. What is exactly is this document title, right? So document title is nothing but your page title. So let's see. So here you cannot see, right? So this automation report here you cannot see anywhere, right? So let's right click, go to the inspect. So now go to the head title. See, the title is automation report. Okay, so this is what we have given. Exactly, we have given automation report. Okay, and then report name, and we have given the report name as automation test execution report. So let's see. Here on the report we can see automation test execution report is coming here. This is the name of your automation report, right? It's report name. And then we are using the standard theme, so this is not a dark one. There is also one dark theme also available, right? And if you see the set timestamp format, right? So first we have given eeee. So what is that eeee? That is, if you see Saturday, that is the day, and then comma, then month, then day, year. So month is September, day is 30th, year is 2023. Okay, and then comma separated, hours colon month, minutes. So hours is 01 colon 07, and then this stands for AM or PM, right? So now it is PM, so it is showing PM, and then within the braces we have ZZZ, that means which time zone it is. So it's showing as IST. It has run in the IST, and this is the complete format. That's why if you remember, I have copied this one from the base step class, so you can also go to that base steps, and if you want these two methods, you can copy these two methods and design your code, right? Base types you can add them. Initialize report and the string capture, like capture screenshot. Okay, so this is one thing. Okay, so whatever we have defined at the base steps, those we are able to see here, right, in the report. That's the first thing. So now let's understand few more things. So let's go to the test case. So what are the changes we made in the test case? We did some setup in the test case with respect to reporting. So if you see, we got the string method name and string class name. Class name we're not using anywhere, so we can comment it out also, because here we're using the method name, right? So let's say method name sign in and verify page title. Okay, so if you see the sign in and verify page title, right? So method name is open login page. So if you see, what is the method name? Open login page. So here it shows the method name, and then it shows when we have started the execution and when the execution finished, and what is the time taken for the execution. Okay, and test ID 1 it is showing, and the category, this also we have configured, right? So let's see in the test case, here test dot assign category, that is the smoke test. So you see this is smoke test, this is annotated with this is like, this is marked with the smoke test. Okay, so this is not but nothing but one of your category or one of your tag, right? And if you see sign in and verify page title, this is what we have given here. Sign in and verify the page title as part of the create test, right? Method name and the sign in and verify page title. And there is one status.info we have given, right? How we have that log.info. Similarly, test.log status.info we have starting open login page and verify title test run. Okay, so this one you will see here. So status, timestamp, and the details. So at this particular time it got executed, and this is our info, and the exact whatever the message we have given, right? Starting open login page and verify test title run. So that one is coming here, right? And we have already seen what is the smoke test we have already given. Okay, and this is your default landing page of the report. Okay, and here is one more, is called as this tags kind of thing, right? So if you click on this one, right, so you see we have only one category or the tag, that's why it is coming only smoke test. If you have multiple, here you will say smoke, suppose let's say we have regression, here you will say one more, right, regression. Here you will see, let's say we have sanity, you will see one more sanity, functional, right? You will see all those tags, right? And let's say this is a one test case you have run, that is smoke test, right? Similarly, let's see when we are running from our testng.xml file, we have running multiple tests. Few tests will belong to the smoke. So let's say 10 tests that executed that were annotated with the category of the smoke test. So here it will be 10 tests, right, instead of one test. 5 per regression. So here you will see the regression test, 5 tests, right? And if you click on that, all those tests will be listed out here. Okay, and if you click on this one, it will go to the detail and it will show. And this is what and here also we can do the filtration. So here it is pass, how many are pass, okay, and there is nothing failed, so only pass is shown. And here also we can filter with the tags. So we have category only smoke, so that's why it is showing the smoke. Okay, so apart from that, if you see, we have one more, that is statistics page. So if you go here, right, so here you will see a detailed report. Okay, so what detailed report here, let me refresh this one once. Okay, yeah, so here if you see, it's a like graphical representation now. Okay, so here you see what time the execution started, at what time it got ended, right, how many tests got passed, how many tests got failed. So we had only one test case that we have executed, and that test case got passed, right? So one test case only. So if you see, only one test passed, test failed 0, right? And here, since one test case was there and it was passed, so you are seeing pass 1, right? Similarly, this is log event, right? So how many events were there? So 0 events failed and one others it passed, actually one event, like one info, right? So here also, like, while configuring, right, so we have given status.info, right? So this info, so that is the event, is coming here, right? That is the info, one info event was there. So similarly, timeline, if you see how much time it took to execute, right, open login page. Okay, so this is the timeline you can see. And here if you see, there will be a tabular format, right? How many the tags, there was one smoke test, so it is coming only smoke test, and passed, one is passed, 0 failed, 0 skipped, 0 others, and pass rate is 100%. This is better, like the graphical, complete graphical presentation of the things, right? So apart from this, let's do one thing. Let's go to the test case. Okay, so if you see, I have given only one status here, right? Test.log, status.info, starting open login page, and verify test title run, title test run. So this one is only coming, only one is coming here, right? If you go here and see, only one info is coming, right? But like if you see, we have already log.info, multiple log.info. We are generating for each step, whatever we are doing, we are generating the log files. The same thing we can do here also, right? So we can go and in the report, we can, for each step, whatever we are doing, we can put the steps over here. So how to do that? So let's go and yeah, test.log, just copy this one. So click on sign up or login link. Okay, so click on sign up oblique login link. Okay, so this is just the distinction between log.info and test.log. Okay, and similarly verify page title. So sorry, so copy, paste. So here we'll say verify. Okay, so let's give a little more meaningful thing, verify sign up or login page title. Okay, so verify sign up or login page title. So now after running this one, my expectation is these two test.log should also come in the report. So let's run and see if they're coming or not. Okay, so started the execution. So let's see, building is complete, instance settings test setup. Okay, so read the properties file, Chrome, from the properties file browser, navigated to the URL, maximize the window. Okay, still loading, maximized, clicked on sign up or login link and closed, and end report. If you see here also, it's reporting and all, everything is also done. So now if you see here, actual page title is matching. Okay, so everything is done. Good. So now let's go to the default suite. Here we can see everything is done, one test run, one passes, one failure. Okay, so now let's go and generate this extend spark report. Okay, and click on the yes browser. So now if you see, my intention was to generate the log in the report, extend report, for each step of the action we're doing through the test case. So in the test case, we said starting open login page and verify title test run, then click on the sign up or login link, verify sign up login page title, right? So these are the different report logs, that is the info logs we have started putting on the our extend report. So if you go here, okay, do refresh it. Okay, okay, so if you see 3, right, earlier it was 1, now it is 3, because there are 3 info statements we have already put, right? So there are 3 info. Similarly, apart from the info, there will be many other log events also we can put, right? So how we have the different log levels, similarly in the report also we will have the different levels. Okay, so you can go and explore. So mostly we will give the info, right? So because we want them to come in the report, so it's just the info, this is what we are going to do, right? And this test case is passed. So this is all to this framework reporting part. But there is one thing I want to show you in the next class, like we have to again fail fail some test cases, and after failing the test cases we have to see whether the screenshots are getting captured or not, and whether those screenshots are getting generated in that respective screenshot folder or not. Here it has not yet created screenshot because there has been no test failures. So if the test failure happens, there will be a screenshot folder over here will get created, and then it will kind of create that screenshot, and then it will be attached to the extend report also. So that's what we can see in the next session. So this is all for the today's session. If you guys are really enjoying the session, I'll request you to subscribe to my channel, and please share this with your friends and colleagues so that they can also go through it, they can understand the architecture of the framework, and they can explain properly during their interviews, right? And if you have any doubt, please feel free to put them in the comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So please do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to QA automation classes. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.